So today we are going to make an espresso martini. Now this is a really popular cocktail and it's actually really easy to make as well. But along with that, the espresso martini has a really sexy backstory. Now this cocktail was invented by a London-based bartender known as Dick Bradsell. He invented this cocktail in the 1980s, and the story goes, once in his bar a supermodel walked in and asked him for a drink that would wake her up and also fuck her up. So that's the story, and Dick Bradsell served her with the first ever espresso martini. So that's what we're going to make. We're going to make a cocktail that's going to wake you up as well as fuck you up. So let's get started. So first we are going to need 15 ml of simple syrup, then we need 15 ml of coffee liqueur. So this is a Kahlua bottle, but it actually has some of my homemade coffee liqueur. So we need 15 ml of coffee liqueur. Now we need some vodka. So I have Smirnoff over here. So we need 60 ml of vodka. And now we need a double shot of espresso. So that's 60 ml of espresso. So now we need to shake this drink. So for that we need some ice. So I'm going to add in a large ice cube along with some crushed ice, and we're going to shake this in our shaker. We need to serve this in this chilled martini glass. We're going to strain it using a strainer. So that's about it. Now we need to actually garnish it. So the traditional garnish for an espresso martini is 3 coffee beans. So I'm going to add 3 coffee beans, and there you go. That's an espresso martini. Once it settles down, so it looks really beautiful, like creamy layer on the top and this black colored layer on the bottom. So it's a really pretty looking drink. So let's try this. Cheers.